Lil, what you guys doing?
Some bread.
Mm-hmm.
So you had to sit down. Hey, let her finish. She got to finish what she has in her mouth first.
You can break her off pieces from her own bread that Daddy's got.
No, wait. You can let her eat what she has. Okay, you can eat some of it too.
Evelyn just scowled at her.
Eat your crust. Really? Eat your crust too.
She eats it eventually, she just saves it for last. She ate all of it last night.
Yours? Are you saying mine?
Yeah.
Are you saying mine?
Yeah. I think he's waiting to hear a nice word from you.
Please.
Evelyn, you gotta learn to use your nice words too.
Hey, that's enough eating her bread. You got your own crust to eat. Eat your crust. Well, you can't eat Evelyn's bread. Hey.
That's not a happy face. That was not a happy face she just gave you, Lily. I thought she was gonna bite your bread.
Eat your bread. You've had enough of hers. You can't give her that whole big piece. There you go. No, too big. Too big. Still too big.
I think she's trying to tell you thank you, Lily. Good job saying you're welcome. You girls are doing such a good job. Is there a piece that went missing? Is that your happy wiggle, Evelyn?